Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. So finally we have with us the Honor Band 6 and today in this video we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the model name Honor Band 6 and it comes with the 1.47-inch AMOLED display and long battery life. And here we have the picture of the band. At this side of the box we have the QR code by which you can install the Health app. And here we can see the MRP, which is Rs 5,999, but it's available right now during this sale period on Amazon and Flipkart for as low as Rs 2,999. And on top of it, you have the card offers. Now looking at the back of the box, we have the key features such as 1.47-inch AMOLED display, fast charging, long battery life, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, stress test, sleep tracking, auto workout detection, 10 sports modes, and it's also 580 mAh water resistant. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the smart band itself, and here we have the black variant, and apart from that it's available in two more colors, sandstone grey, which we have here with us, and also in the coral pink. We will look at the smart band in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the documentation, which has the warranty information along with the quick start guide. And then we get the magnetic charging cable, and for charging you need to attach it at the back of the band like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smart band closely. Honor Band 6 is a fitness smart band, and looking at the design and the build quality, no doubt the build quality is very good, especially the strap of this smart band. The main module of this band is made up of plastic, and here you have the Honor branding. One thing I should tell you is that the size of this smart band is not that small like the previous fitness band from Honor or beat any other company, and it's also not big like a smartwatch, but in terms of the design and quality, it's very good, and I find this new design attractive. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.47-inch large color AMOLED display with 2.5D curved glass, and here on this side we have a single button to turn on the screen or open the main menu. At the back of the band we have the charging pins, heart rate sensor and the SpO2 sensor. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, scan the QR code to download the Health app, and once downloaded, you need to follow the instructions on the screen and then go to the Add Device section and select the Honor Band 6 from the list. And that's it, your smart band is now ready to use. Now let's look at the smart band features first. So here we are on the watch face, and guys, before we check the features, I must tell you that the display looks gorgeous, and I find this AMOLED display the best in this segment. And also because of the large 1.47-inch screen, you get good visibility. Now looking at the menu, here we have the watch face, which you can change by long pressing on the screen. And here we have the available watch faces. And also, you can add more watch faces through the companion app, which I will show you in a moment. Swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings. And here we have the battery percentage on the top, DND, vibration, alarm, and the settings of this band. Swiping up from the bottom shows you the notification history. You can access your favorite apps by either swiping right or left on the watch face. And here we have the heart rate, stress monitoring, weather, and the activity status. To access the main menu, you need to press the side button once. And here we have the workout menu, and in this watch, you get 10 workout modes. And here, as you might have noticed, that the touch is responsive and the UI of the smart band is lag free. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the workout records, which shows you the workout history. After that we have the heart rate, and guys, I find the heart rate detection fast and accurate in this smart band. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is again fast, and also you get to see the real-time data. Then we have the activity records, which shows you the current day's fitness data. After that we have the sleep data, and here we have the last night's sleep details. Then we have the stress monitoring, and in this smartwatch you can also enable all day stress monitoring. Then in the menu we have the breathing exercise to calm yourself down. After that we have the notification history, weather, and here in this you can see hourly forecast as well as forecast for next 7 days. Then we have the usual stopwatch, timer, and the alarm option. After that we have the flashlight, which according to me is a pretty handy feature. Then we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And then finally, we have the settings of the smartband. And here in this, first we have the display settings, and in this, you can change watch face and also set the brightness. After that we have the vibration, DND, and also the workout settings. And in the workout settings, you can enable auto workout detection. Then in the system menu, you can restart or turn off the smartband. So that's all the features we have on this smartband. And according to us, this smartband has all the features. However, there is one feature which I think is missing, and that is the remote camera shutter. And now about some other features. In this smartband, you also have the raise to wake feature, which works pretty good. And also, when you lower your arm, the display turns off automatically. There is also one more thing, when you cover the display with your palm, the display turns off. Now, let's look at the companion app Health. The UI of the Health app is simple, and on the home page we have the current day step count along with the activity minutes, and then below it we have the heart rate, sleep, stress, and the SpO2 data. On the next page we have the exercise option, and here you can start outdoor running, walking, and cycling. On the device page we have the settings of this band. So first we can see the connected smart band, and below it we have the watch face menu, and here we have multiple watch faces available for this band. And guys, some of these watch faces look amazing on this smart band, especially due to the AMOLED screen. Now in terms of the settings, here we have the health monitoring option, and in this you can enable true sleep feature, which monitors your sleep pattern and can accurately detect if you're in deep, light, or REM sleep. And during our testing, we find this data pretty accurate, which is similar to previous Honor Band versions. Then in the settings we have the notification settings, and here in this you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your band. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And in this smart band, you can reject the call from the band itself. And here is how you get the message alert. So you don't get the preset replies option as well as the emoji support in this smart band. So overall the Honor Band 6 offers a beautiful design and a good build quality. The display quality is by far the best I have seen in this segment. And keeping in mind the pricing right now, we think it's the best fitness tracker you can purchase at the moment, which offers accurate fitness data. The smart band is comfortable on the hand and also looks very good. The battery backup is also pretty good, and even with the heavy usage, it can easily last up to 7 days, and that too with the continuous heart rate and the stress monitoring. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget fitness band around 3000 rupees, then the Honor Band 6 is definitely value for money, and we highly recommend you to check it out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Honor Band 6 smart band. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smart band, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.